Hi, Nat here at Shoes of Hollywood again. Got another unboxing. We've had a lot of requests for the ankle strapless ones, so the sort of the slip-in shoes. So we got another pair of those ones today. And these ones are the Pleaser Adore-701 and the Silver Glitter. They're a 7-inch heel, and I'm pretty excited because I love glitter. It's gonna be great. Cool. So these are our shoes. And they're packaged nice and securely to protect all the glitter from coming off. That one. Cool. So as you can see, there's no ankle strap at all, it's just where the toe slips in. And the glitter is everywhere. It's the front of the shoe, the sides, it's underneath. It's just glitter everywhere, which is really, really good. That was the other one. Try these ones on and we'll go for a walk in them. So once again, you probably already know, you've seen some of our other videos, you would know that the plastic is quite stiff when you first put them in, and these are new shoes so they are quite stiff. But within a few minutes it'll start to mold around your foot, which is really, really nice. Oh, so much glitter. A lot of glitter. I personally prefer the shoes with a strap, just my preference, but these aren't bad in any way, so they definitely don't fall off your foot. It's just different is all. I haven't really worn these before and that's okay, but yeah, they stay on, they're not at risk of falling. Gorgeous. So much sparkle. And your foot isn't standing really high. It is another illusion with the heel and the platform, so they're really comfortable height to be walking in, and they still have the whole allure of being a high heel. Oh, I love how shimmery they are. They're so pretty. And the clear strap is kind of funky actually, because it looks like you're just standing on a bed of sparkles. Looks magical. They're beautiful in the light. Can you imagine these wearing these out to, oh, I don't know, a club or dancing or anything like that? How sparkly and eye-catching they would be. It would be amazing. And they're silver, so they can go with anything at all. There's no rules when it comes to silver shoes. They'll match whatever you put on. Very comfortable as well. I actually really like these ones without the straps. I've tried on another pair and these are much better. They just feel good. And it doesn't hurt to add some height, so I'm quite short. Oh, they're just so sparkly. Wow. So these were an Adore 7-inch heel, and they're a slip-on shoe. Awesome. They're so pretty. I hope you enjoyed the video. I enjoy anything with sparkles. I'm very easy to please. They're so pretty. Please leave a comment, tell us what you thought of them, hit the notification bell so you can watch all of our next videos as well, and we'll catch you the next time around.